Finally, we've reached the end of one of my favorite sections, UpKeep sensors. Monitoring the status of your equipment can be cumbersome and difficult, and any equipment malfunctions can cost millions of dollars. Minor problems can also go unnoticed for months until they lead to one critical breakdown. That's where sensors come in. The UpKeep sensor program enables teams to get higher quality data and higher visibility into their equipment to make maintenance decisions with more confidence. We launched UpKeep sensors with the goal of bringing predictive maintenance to our customers who need to monitor asset health, track downtime, and facility productivity in real time. Sensors allow you to keep tabs on your assets remotely, checking their status from wherever you are. It's a combination of hardware and software that allows you to stay more proactive and spot issues before they arise. You'll install the sensors throughout your facility and activate the data gateway that powers them. Then, you'll log into your account with UpKeep sensors to start setting up your equipment information, reading frequencies, and notification preferences. One of the most common use cases for UpKeep's temperature sensors are by food and beverage manufacturing companies. They place these sensors in their refrigeration and freezer units so they'll know the moment one of their units falls out of range and a work order will be created. This prevents inventory loss from a malfunctioning fridge or freezer, no matter what's in there. We've seen UpKeep customers use vibration sensors as well to monitor their equipment health while it's operating. Vibration sensors can pick up on tiny movements in the motors and gears in equipment and detect when it needs to be lubricated or have its oil changed. UpKeep sensors are not a standalone product, but rather integrated with UpKeep work order management to incorporate the real-time data into your maintenance program. Sensors enable you to do more with less, and we're really excited about them. Thanks so much for following along. Good luck on your final exam.